Good morning, traders. I hope you're all doing fine. I just want to make a little video analysis on one or two pairs based on supply and demand strategy. Yeah, so this is the XYD US dollar currency index. I always use the XY for correlation of other pairs. If you look right here, I have my zones already mapped. You can see a supply zone right here, and you can see a demand zone, and I mark this zone for reference in case price push to this level and then break out. This will be my target. So if you look right here, you can see price touch this supply zone right here and then push to the downside to this demand level right here. Price is still around here, so we never know whether it's going to push to the upside, a fake out before you can see it come back to this demand zone right here. Yeah, but I expect the price to move a little higher to this zone right here before you can see the push to the downside. Let me indicate some. We may see it push out to the zone. Sometimes you may even see a fake out and then a retest before you can see it move to this level right here. So if it's come to this zone, the reason why I have this level is if it break out, you can expect a retest and then a push down to the side. Otherwise, if it's break and keep going up, that's another scenario, another different scenario. So always wait for a retest for confirmation after a breakout. So let's look at your USD. So in your USD also, I have my zones mapped. You can see I have a demand zone right here and a supply zone right here. Price touches this demand zone two times. As I always say, demand or supply zones are valid first, second, and the third touch. But the first and second touch are very, very powerful. So in this scenario, you can see the dollar index was somehow trending down. So they are always opposite with Euro USD. When DXY is moving up, Euro USD is moving down, and when Euro USD is moving up, then the XY is moving down. So before I even see the actual push, it may go directly, because if you go to the lower time frame, you may see a retest. You can see price push to the upside a little and then came back to this zone, retest this zone, so you can see it move to the upside. Sometimes you see a big fake out, thinking that it is a breakout and retail traders shut the market. Nope, it's just a fake out. It's just a stop hunt and it's just a bear trap. So always wait for a confirmation if you see a breakout. If it break out to this level right here, make sure you see a valid retest before you shut the market. And then if it's a fake out, let's see price broke through. Sometimes it's just a fake out, so wait for price to come back to this zone right here, retest, and then push to the upside. To come here and break out also, you wait for a retest. So that's how you just trade it. Make your chart very easy, clean mind, and clean charts. Also I have GBPUSD marked, I think. All right, I wanted to map it again, but yeah, here it is. Yeah, if you look right here, the same scenario, same stuff. You can see a supply zone right here with a retail line. This is called a retail resistance line, or a baseline. You can see how the price is trending downward, how it's beautifully respecting this zone right here. You can see indecision candle with a nice leg out right here, and also a demand zone. So this price may actually push to the downside. We never know. Come back to this level and then retest. When I say look for confirmation in the zone, I mean you execute based on your own strategy. If it breaks out, but make sure you wait for a retest before you short the market. That's a good confluence, because you can't just short the market because it broke your resistance, your support line or demand zone. You need to wait for a good confluence. If it's create a fake out and then come back to this zone, also you wait for a retest and then you buy. Yeah, I think it's self-explanatory. It's just not that hard. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful. Have a nice trading day.